Right, today I'm making halloumi and red pepper kebabs. So I've cut a red pepper into pieces and a block of halloumi. There's about 27 pieces of each. Now I'm going to marinate those, and I've made the marinade with vegetable oil, lemon juice, a juice of 1 lemon, garlic and ginger. And I'm going to stir these up and leave them to marinate for at least an hour. Now, to make it easier, I've used these pastes, garlic paste and ginger paste. So very, very useful, quick and easy. So I'm going to give this a stir, and I shall leave it for an hour, at least an hour, and I shall stir it occasionally. Meanwhile, I'm soaking the skewers in boiling water so that when they go under the grill they won't burn. The cheese and the peppers have been marinating now for about an hour and a quarter. So I'm simply going to thread them on alternately. And then I'm going to put them under the grill, and I shall have to watch them very carefully so that they don't burn, because my grill is very, very fierce. So we'll carry on like this until everything's threaded on the skewers. It's a very good cheese for kebabs, this halloumi, because it's very firm. So I've got 4 kebabs there, all ready to go under the grill. I shall keep turning them, and each time I shall baste them with the marinade. I'm serving the kebabs with roasted vegetable couscous from a packet. So all you do is pour in 160 ml of boiling water and stir. Then we'll leave the couscous to swell up, and then just fluff it up with a fork just before serving. So that's the finished dish. Halloumi and red pepper kebabs with roasted vegetable couscous. Delicious, vegetarian and very quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Bye.